understand how important recommitting to the union is. I get the question over and over and over again. Why should we recommit? There's nothing that you can do. Let me tell you, in speaking and watching people on a daily basis, all of you deserve and need to understand your work and what you do for the constituents, for the state of Wisconsin, needs to be respected. Scott Walker doesn't respect you. He's making us jump through hoops just to try to keep everything in line. Each and every one of you, here's how I look at it. When you choose to recommit, that recommitting is then saying to Scott Walker, we do not validate what you've done to us. We are not giving you permission to continue to stomp on us and continue to take what our civil liberties are all about. It is important that everybody understands without recommitting, we don't have the ability to fight what is happening right up the street right now. I always say to people, when you're in a fight with somebody, the worst thing that can happen is when you get backed up against a wall. I don't like being backed up against a wall. I'm not easily intimidated, but what I want to know is that everybody, I can look behind me, and I have people standing behind me who have my back. The union is there for you. We're not going away. It doesn't matter what he says. It doesn't matter what he does. We're not going anywhere. We had 100,000 people up here at the Capitol fighting for us. It wasn't just public employees. You look around or you ask people, it was your mother, your father, your grandfather, your brothers, your sisters, grandchildren. I have a family of 4, a husband and a grandson. We were up there. We do not need to tolerate the crap that this man has thrown at us. And without the support of the union behind us, we're not going to have the ability to fight him. You know, we're not. Let's be plain and simple. If you choose or people choose to say, why do I have to join the union? Why should I recommit? Here's my theory. You're not recommitting, then you are in lockstep with that man who has taken every single right away from you. So it's a choice. You either fight to win or you don't fight and you lose. That's where we're at right now. And without all of you and so many of you are so awesome. I wish other people could see exactly what I've seen in the last 3.5 weeks. It has touched my heart. And all I was somebody that worked at Vital Records. And I got involved. So all it takes is one person. When you recommit, you've already done something for us. But there's so many other things that can happen. You can phone bank, go door to door. The recalls is so crucial right now. We are at such a pivotal time. We need all of you, every last one of you, and I'll take you all. Come with me. We'll take you. Just follow us. I trust you will not be alone, and we're going to take back what we deserve. And it's all of you. It's not about the money, but it's all of you who are just as passionate as I am, and get the word out, recommit, help with the recalls. Let's get the movement and make it even stronger than it was when there was 100,000 people at the Capitol. You know, you guys are the ones that did it. We did. We fought together. And so we just need to continue to do that. And recommitting is the first step. You're telling him, we are not going to validate your policies any longer. That's it. So you know what? It's time for us to draw the line in the sand. He did it. You know, he comes out as this force to be reckoned with. When one person signs up on a daily basis, we are now strengthening because we're going to be the force to be reckoned with, not him any longer. And that needs to be remembered.